Are you going to the library at break?
Yeah, I am. I'll see you there.
Alright, bye.
Sandy, guess who I saw at Starbucks yesterday?
Lindsay?
Nope, Mr. Hallstrom.
No way!
Yeah, and he was just getting his daily coffee. Isn't it interesting how things in our everyday lives are made up of compounds and atoms stuck together, but we don't really think about it that way? For example, caffeine. The reason why caffeine keeps you up at night is because part of the structure of caffeine looks like a molecule that's supposed to help you go to sleep. So it replaces these molecules and you don't feel sleepy. Hey Savannah, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
I just noticed something. Why does the ball stop at the top?
You see, Adrian, when the ball goes up, the ball has a positive velocity. But when the ball comes down, it has a negative velocity. So that means at some point it has to have a velocity of 0. So when you throw up a tennis ball, it makes the shape of a parabola. The highest point that it reaches before it goes into the negative velocity, that's the maximum point. And then that point, when you take the derivative of it, which is just the slope of the tangent line, the value is 0. Oh shoot, I forgot my homework.
Savannah, have you ever wondered how memories are formed?
Yeah.
Our sensory memory briefly takes in everything that's happening around us through image, sound, and touch. Everything is unconscious until we decide to give our attention to something specific, like say, a tennis ball.
Yeah.
When we do this, our working or short-term memory is activated and we begin to encode specific information into our memories, like say, a phone number. Savannah, do you have Lindsay's number?
Yeah, remind me later to give it to you though.
I got my license.
No way! Adrian, that's awesome!
Yep, I drove to school for the first time today.
Sweet!
So stoked. Tomorrow I have a test on centripetal force.
Oh, that's a bummer.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, wait, Adrian, you know that's an example of centripetal force right now.
Wait, my keys?
It's just a force that keeps an object moving in a circular path. So, like a Ferris wheel. Centripetal force actually makes you feel lighter at the top of the Ferris wheel than you do at the bottom. So, when you have that force acting upwards on you when you're at the top of the circle, and the force due to gravity acting downwards on you, you feel a lot lighter.
Hey Savannah, you're going to recycle that, right?
Oh yeah, of course.
Well, the reason I ask is because there's this huge vortex of plastic in the Pacific Ocean, and people aren't sure how big it is, but it could be the size of the U.S.
Yeah, I heard about that in oceanography.
Yeah, so it's important to spread awareness of this issue in our community so we can do everything possible to fix it. Oh shoot, it's almost time to break.
Oh, you're right. I should get to class.
Hey, you're going to Aiden's game, right?
Oh yeah, I'll see you
Alright.
there.